Just going to talk through the process that we use to come up with our 20-week unit for stage 5. So the idea is based around fake news and developing health literacy in a variety of contexts. We really wanted to challenge the assumption around context that we'd usually look at in a risk-taking unit, or that would be taught from a deficit approach. So we're just going to show how we got from our big idea page using our template to a full unit. So we started with our cutouts of the syllabus, so everything cut up into each dot point, and we had coded them to the outcome that it corresponded with, and the key inquiry questions are on there as well. And a numbering system, so we'd know which one it was as part of that strand. We had different colours for each strand, so we could tell them apart once they were on the unit, and we had 6 copies of each strand. So once we used it, there were still copies left if we needed to use it again. We read through the dot points for each of the inquiry questions that we'd chosen and the outcomes we'd chosen, and just made sure that they were what we wanted to use. So from the ones we decided, we basically picked up the dot point that we needed, used some blank pieces of paper, and followed that process to pick every dot point.
We also then made sure that we renumbered and wrote down the outcome so that the next sheet would have the information underneath. Go.
Once we picked all of the content dot points, we figured out which dash points didn't really match with that unit, and then we crossed them out. So we repeated that process for all of our big ideas. We tracked all of the dot points and dash points using a blank copy of the syllabus and our numbering system to make sure that we'd covered everything. And then we discussed the best placement of these within the stage to make sure they suited our students' needs.